Hello students, in this video we will discuss about some terminology related to ellipse. Since this is a ellipse, means set of all those points whose sum of distance from any two fixed point is always same. Already discussed in the previous video and writing here. Now some terminology related to this ellipse. First is foci, second is major axis, third is minor axis, fourth is vertex, fifth is center of ellipse, now we will discuss one by one in this figure. First is what is the foci. Two fixed points in this ellipse, that means f1 and f2, is known as foci. Foci is nothing but foci is the plural form of the word focus. Since foci or focus is as a like point from where any point on this ellipse and distance between this focus to the point, and if adding the distance f1 p1 and f2 p2 f1 p1 and f2 p1 is equal to always constant if that point move at p2 p3 p4 and so on, that I like this, means p1 f1 plus p1 f2 equal to p1 f1 plus p2 f2 plus p1 p3 f1 plus p3 f2. Always sum of distance between that point and its focus is always constant, and these points is known as foci or focus. Means f1 and f2 are focus of this ellipse. Now we will take major axis. What is the major axis? Major axis is nothing but if a line passes through both focus and meet at the any 2 points on ellipse is known as major axis. Suppose this is the point A and this is the point B, then AB is major axis. AB is major axis and it is denoted by 2A, means length of AB is 2A. Means we can say that length of major axis will be equal to 2A. Now minor axis. Before the discussing of the minor axis, first we discuss what is the center of ellipse. Center of ellipse is nothing but midpoint of major axis. Midpoint of major axis is known as center of ellipse, and this is denoted by O. Midpoint of major axis is known as center, and its coordinate is 0, 0. Now we will discuss minor axis. Minor axis is nothing but a line passes through the center of this ellipse and perpendicular to the major axis. A line passes through the center of ellipse and perpendicular to my major axis, then this is known as minor axis. and its both end is denoted by, suppose, C and D. Sorry, capital C and capital D. So CD will be minor axis, and length of this minor axis is denoted by 2B. Length of minor axis is denoted by 2B. Now, what is the vertex? Since vertex is nothing but both end point of the major axis on the ellipse is known as vertex. That means A and B are vertex, and its coordinates are A will be A, 0 and B will be minus A, 0. Since why the coordinate of A will be A, 0, reason that since A to B, that means length of major axis, is 2A, so from O to A will be A. So coordinate of this A will be A, 0, and on the negative direction coordinate of B will be minus A, 0. This is the coordinate of vertex of ellipse. Center of ellipse already we have discussed. Now, what is the distance between F1 and F2? What is the distance between F1 and F2? There will be 6 points. F1 and F2 is denoted by 2C. That means distance between F1 and F2, that means distance between focus. This will be equal to distance between foci is equal to 2C. Now in the next video we will discuss about what is the relation between A, B and C.